Let's dive into what makes Sandos Cancun Luxury Experience Resort one of the most talked about adults-only destinations in Mexico's hotel zone. This five-star beachfront property has been making waves since its major renovation in 2019 to 2020, and honestly, it's not hard to see why guests keep coming back for more. Starting with accommodations, Sandos Cancun offers three distinct room categories that cater to different comfort levels and budgets. The deluxe rooms span approximately 430 square feet and come equipped with either a king bed or two queens, depending on your preference. These rooms feature modern tropical decor with neutral tones and wooden accents that create a sophisticated yet relaxing atmosphere. Every deluxe room includes air conditioning, flat-screen television, minibar, coffee maker, safe, complimentary Wi-Fi, bathrobes, slippers, and luxury toiletries. The blackout curtains and soundproof windows are particularly appreciated by guests who value their sleep. These rooms offer garden or partial ocean views from private balconies or terraces and can accommodate up to 3 adults or 2 adults with 1 child. Moving up the luxury scale, the Junior Suite Ocean View provides 540 square feet of space with a separate sitting area and full ocean views from the balcony. The highlight here is definitely the jacuzzi tub, which guests rave about, especially during sunset hours. The upgraded minibar and enhanced bath amenities add to the premium experience. At the top tier, the Master Suite offers 750 square feet of pure luxury with separate living and sleeping areas, a large oceanfront balcony, an espresso machine, premium bath products, and personalized concierge service. The spacious layout and enhanced privacy make these suites perfect for special occasions or extended stays. When it comes to dining, Sandos Cancun takes the all-inclusive concept seriously, with 3 distinct venues that cater to different moods and occasions. La Toscana stands out as the crown jewel of the dining experience, offering authentic Italian fine dining that would make any Italian grandmother proud. The restaurant serves handmade pastas, creamy risottos, and fresh seafood specialties in an intimate setting that accommodates about 80 guests. The truffle risotto and fresh seafood pasta are consistently mentioned in guest reviews as must-try dishes, while the tiramisu provides the perfect sweet ending to any meal. Operating from 6:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. with a smart casual dress code, La Toscana also hosts monthly wine pairing nights that showcase carefully selected vintages alongside their signature dishes. For those seeking variety, El Mercado provides an international buffet experience that spans 3 meal periods throughout the day. This spacious venue can accommodate over 200 guests and features an impressive spread including fresh sushi, grilled meats, and local Mexican specialties. The themed buffet nights, such as seafood extravaganzas and Mexican fiestas, add excitement to the dining routine and give guests a chance to explore different culinary traditions. The lobby bar rounds out the dining options with a casual atmosphere perfect for cocktails and light snacks. Operating from 10 a.m. to midnight, this 50-guest capacity venue features a daily happy hour from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. that's become a popular gathering spot for guests to share stories about their day's adventures. The pool and beach facilities at Sandos Cancun truly showcase why this resort commands its 5-star rating. 3 outdoor pools provide different experiences for various moods and preferences. The main pool, measuring approximately 25 meters by 10 meters with depths ranging from 1.2 to 1.5 meters, features a swim-up bar that's become legendary among guests for its creative cocktails and friendly bartenders. The infinity pool offers breathtaking views that seem to merge seamlessly with the Caribbean Sea, creating those Instagram-worthy moments that guests treasure long after their vacation ends. The adults-only pool provides a quieter sanctuary for those seeking peaceful relaxation away from the more social atmosphere of the main pool area. All pools operate from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. year-round, with comprehensive poolside services including food and beverage service, towel service, and comfortable loungers with umbrellas strategically positioned to provide shade throughout the day. The beach access is where Sandos Cancun really shines, offering approximately 300 meters of pristine white sandy beachfront along the calm turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea. The beach service includes loungers, umbrellas, towel service, and food and drink service, ensuring guests never have to venture far for refreshments. Water sports enthusiasts can enjoy complimentary kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling equipment, with the calm waters providing perfect conditions for both beginners and experienced water sport enthusiasts. Activities at Sandos Cancun cater to guests who want to stay active during their vacation without leaving the resort grounds. The fitness center operates from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. and features modern cardio machines including treadmills and bikes, free weights, and resistance machines suitable for all fitness levels. The scheduled classes add variety to workout routines, with yoga, Pilates, and water aerobic sessions that change throughout the week to keep things interesting. Personal training sessions are available upon request for guests who prefer individualized attention or want to learn proper techniques for unfamiliar equipment. Beyond fitness, the resort hosts weekly live music and DJ nights at the lobby bar, creating an entertaining atmosphere where guests can dance, socialize, and enjoy expertly crafted cocktails. The themed dinner nights, including Mexican, Caribbean, and Italian evenings, provide cultural experiences that go beyond just food, often featuring traditional music and decorations that transport guests into different cultural experiences. Seasonal events like New Year's Eve galas and Valentine's Day specials add extra excitement for guests visiting during these special times of the year. The spa and wellness facilities represent one of Sandos Cancun's strongest selling points, having been significantly upgraded during the recent renovation. Operating from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily, the spa offers an extensive menu of treatments including massages, facials, body wraps, hydrotherapy, and reflexology sessions. The signature Mayan Inspire massage incorporates traditional techniques and locally sourced ingredients that connect guests with the rich cultural heritage of the region. The chocolate body wrap has become particularly popular, combining indulgence with skin-nourishing benefits that leave guests feeling pampered and refreshed. The spa facilities include a sauna, steam room, and relaxation lounge where guests can extend their wellness experience beyond their scheduled treatments. The treatment rooms are designed with tranquility in mind, featuring soft lighting, soothing music, and aromatic scents that enhance the overall relaxation experience. Advanced booking is recommended through the front desk or online, especially during peak seasons when demand for spa services increases significantly. Since Sandos Cancun operates as an adults-only resort, families with children will need to consider alternative accommodations. This policy ensures a peaceful, romantic atmosphere that's particularly appealing to couples, honeymooners, and travelers seeking a mature environment free from the typical sounds and activities associated with family resorts. The adults-only designation allows the resort to focus on sophisticated amenities, late-night entertainment, and intimate settings that might not be suitable or appealing in family-friendly environments. The location in Cancun's hotel zone provides excellent access to numerous attractions within a 20-kilometer radius. Isla Mujeres, located just 15 kilometers away and accessible by ferry, offers a charming day trip experience with beautiful beaches, local markets, and a more laid-back island atmosphere. The Maya Museum of Cancun, just 5 kilometers from the resort, provides fascinating insights into the region's ancient civilizations and can be easily reached by taxi or shuttle service. El Rey Ruins, even closer at 4 kilometers away, offer guests a chance to explore authentic Mayan archaeological sites without venturing far from their comfortable accommodations. For shopping enthusiasts, La Isla Shopping Village sits 6 kilometers from the resort and features both international brands and local Mexican crafts and souvenirs. Adventure seekers can visit Eckerett Park, located 20 kilometers away, where hotel-arranged tours provide convenient transportation to this eco-archaeological park that combines natural beauty with cultural performances and wildlife experiences. Overall, Sandos Cancun Luxury Experience Resort delivers on its promise of providing a high-quality, adults-only vacation experience. The resort's strengths clearly lie in its beachfront location, attentive service, and tranquil atmosphere that consistently receives praise from guests. The recent renovations have addressed many previous concerns, resulting in improved ratings across multiple platforms, including an 8.9 out of 10 on Booking.com and 4.5 out of 5 on TripAdvisor. Guest reviews consistently highlight the cleanliness, service quality, and prime location as standout features. However, some areas for improvement remain, particularly regarding food variety, where some guests feel the dining options, while high quality, could benefit from additional variety to prevent monotony during longer stays. Some rooms, despite recent updates, still show minor signs of where that don't quite match the 5-star expectations. Occasional noise from nearby nightlife outside the resort can sometimes disturb the peaceful atmosphere that the adults-only policy aims to create. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.